Welcome to Demolition Ranch.
In a previous video, we filled a 3/4 inch PVC pipe with Tannerite, blew it up underground, and today we're going to try to one-up that video.
So we got this 10-foot piece. We're going to bury it about 6 inches underground and shoot with this AR-15. Booyah!
Two edits on this video. Never like saying booyah and it never makes it in there. Alright, we got it buried, we packed down the dirt on top of it. Now we're gonna try to blow it up.
If you fall out of the tree, we'll get a better video than this thing, so either way we're good.
Money for the revenue?
Nope, sorry, it goes to Demolition Ranch.
You signed a waiver when you came on property. The waiver was implied.
Oh my god, this little monkey.
Fourth! That's high enough, dude. Where are you going?
I feel kind of guilty that I'm filming in case he falls, but...
You don't want him to fall and not have it.
Yeah,
that would just add insult to injury.
It hit you in the head?
Yeah, a big old piece of dirt.
Look at the smoke in the ground. That was huge. That blew up everything.
Oh, it's so cool.
Here's a piece of the PVC.
Oh, dude, swing it.
Oh, yeah, here it is, look at this.
The cat. We can reuse that.
We weren't sure if that was gonna work, and it worked great, so we're gonna do it bigger and better next time. I'm hoping for a 50-footer.
Booyah!
Thanks for watching Demolition Ranch.